TB patients have a long journey. The goal, indeed, for TB care is to have one regimen that is short.
If we can prevent TB, why are we seeing 10 million people developing this disease every year? So there's a lot that we can do to innovate and change that by developing new vaccines, developing new drugs, shorter, simpler regimens that are easier for people to take. Everyone believes that there's already a treatment for TB, nothing needs to be done. But the reality is they're very difficult tablets to take, and the moment that people with TB feel better, they stop taking the tablets, and that disease can then return resistant. So we believe that there's something that we can do to improve these treatments and make sure that people surviving TB have long lives.
El futuro está en adelantarnos a lo que pueda suceder y lo que está sucediendo actualmente. Con las apariciones de nuevas resistencias, por ejemplo, en tuberculosis ahora mismo ya existen cepas multiresistentes y extremadamente resistentes que se necesitan tratamientos. Y luego también esos patógenos que van evolucionando y pueden causar un serio problema para la salud global.
What we want is to bring new compounds that can tackle resistance. What is the best way to tackle resistance? It is to discover a molecule that operates with a new mode of action. So if it's a new entity and a new mode of action, there is no resistance in the field.
656 is our most advanced TB asset, and we hope to develop this asset for the indications of drug-resistant tuberculosis. There's also been a vaccine which has been now entered phase 3 trials for TB, so it's incredible to be part of this big project on really trying to change the paradigm for TB, both for preventing TB but also for treating TB.
I would push to have a more inclusive population of TB patients who are really the picture of TB involved in our clinical trials to make it easier for us to treat the true TB population.
It's really, really important that we work together as a TB community, pharma, governments, donors, and countries to really make changes.
El saber que el trabajo que tú haces junto con tus compañeros va a impactar y va a impactar de una forma contundente. Y ya no solamente en el vecino de tu puerta o en tu comunidad, no, a nivel mundial.
I was asked at some point, David, TB, you are in front of a make or break. If you're gonna do something, you have to do it now. So let's change the trajectory. Let's end TB. We can do it.